tell you something, buddy.
Yeah.
The owner of the place was just saying that they're worried. Not only, I mean, they've had water up here before. This is right on the bank of the river. Not only do they have water, they've got current running through some of their sheds. And the sheds are, you know, they're meant to provide temporary shelter. They're not meant to be structures, and they're worried about the sheds getting lifted up and taken away. The water is all the way up in there. Actually, I think if you look beyond that orange door on that trailer, it's going to take a second for this to focus. Maybe it won't focus. That's the river down further.